Yesterday, I met with my team and we made a small operational tweak that I believe is going to get us better deals. Now, first off, I want to give a shout out to my team. They are literally working their butts off, doing an incredible job, and I really appreciate what they're doing. When we looked at all of our deals on the board we have right now, we found out about 40-50% are having to be renegotiate the price with our seller. And I believe that's really not good business. It's going to create negative reviews. It's going to slow down the process. It's just not good all the way through. So what I'd like to do is get the contract at the right price initially. So what we did is we created a filter that two of a management team has to approve the exit price. Now, once you have the exit price, then you can back out the spread and commissions and fees, and now you have your offer price, right? If that's approved, then guess what? Now we can get a price that works. We're all on board, and we can sell the property quickly, and it's good all the way through. So I hope that helps.